In this video, we will discuss how to fix Smart TV not connecting to Wi-Fi. So if your Smart TV is not connecting to Wi-Fi, then there may be a problem. So the first fix for that is to restart your Smart TV as well as your Wi-Fi router. So just turn off your TV, remove and unplug, and after that plug it again, and do the same thing to your router. So if that still doesn't fix it, you can check your Wi-Fi connection. You can go over to fast.com and see how fast your connection is. So if your other device works but your TV still isn't connected, then the problem may be with your TV. So check if you inputted the correct Wi-Fi password and check your signal strength for that as well. Now you can connect your smart TV with your router with an Ethernet cable so you can actually enjoy faster streaming as well. You can also update your smart TV software so it will remove any bugs that's happening. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.